How to see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can see hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is to go to your Facebook account. As you can see right now, I am here at facebook.com. And by the way guys, I am using PC right now, Google Chrome. Next thing is to go to Marketplace. As you can see right here in my left side, I can see the Marketplace tab. Or you can click the see more right here and find it right here. Just click the Marketplace tab and you will be redirected here at Marketplace. You can find any product you want to buy or you want to see the information, something like that. Example, I'm gonna tap this iPad Air 2 right here. To see the hidden information in this product or item, you just need go to the URL and you can see here it said www. You need to replace this triple W to letter M. Then once you're done, click enter. And now you will able to see all of the hidden information here in this page or item. And that's how to see the hidden information on Facebook Marketplace. I hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.